डस्ट को लगा वो फाइनली जीत रही है।
फिर ये वैक्यूम क्लीनर घर आ गया।
Dust has a special talent. You clean on a regular basis. Still, it comes back the next day.
ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दैट वन रिलेटिव जो बिना इनवाइट किए टपक जाता है।
So, for this never-ending battle, I ordered the Agaro vacuum cleaner.
The goal was simple. The cleaning should be quick and I should save on some energy.
Let's talk about the design. It is compact, it is lightweight. The wire is approximately 4 meters long. This is the document which comes along with the vacuum cleaner, which states 1 year of warranty. It comes with different attachments. This one is to clean the floor. I'll show it to you after I just start it. One is to attach to the vacuum cleaner and the second one will go inside it like this. And the third one is for our beds, cushions and the sofa. So this thing goes in here. Now let's start using it. Beat all your tiny dust, crumbs and the tiny particles which cannot be cleared with dusting. It takes care of everything.
Can also clean our window railings जहाँ maximum dust accumulate होता है.
Now let's change the attachment. Let's clean our sofa.
All the small hair, fiber and the dust particles which are stuck on our bed, ये सब कुछ निकाल देता है.
Now let's clean our floor. Now there is no hiding spot left for the dust in your house. So there is this long stick which comes along with the vacuum cleaner with a handle, so that if in case there is no maid for a day or two and if you want to clean the house, it will just be used. This is oddly satisfying and therapeutic. Now let's talk about the pros. It has a strong suction. It is easy to handle and it takes care of all the corners of the house.
15 minutes of usage, stop the machine for 5 minutes and then you can reuse it again. Technique will help increase the life of the vacuum cleaner.
So to clean this, you just have to press this. This will open up. This is the filter which comes out. You can wash it and put it back and reuse it. So if you are also having a daily war along with the dust, this Agaro vacuum cleaner would be a great teammate.
Like, share and subscribe to Real Deal Diaries, where together we will look better, live smarter and shop wiser. Until next time, bye.